The adversaries range from the inexperienced to the highly sophisticated one. Now, the objective is to cover their level of sophistication and what capabilities that they hold. And let's start with the first ones, which are script kiddies. Let's begin with them. Now, these individuals are often beginners. They use pre-made tools to exploit the well-known vulnerabilities. Their impact might be limited, but they are numerous and persistent. So volume is the game here. Moving up, we encounter hacktivists. Now these are groups with a cause. They are often politically motivated. They are more sophisticated and they really love coordinating their attacks like DDoS to make a statement or to disrupt the services. The criminal syndicates. Now here's the game changer. These actors are in this game for substantial financial gain. They invest in advanced malware, ransomwares, and also stealthy techniques to ingest millions from corporations and individuals alike. The state-sponsored actors, these are the pinnacle. Now with resources, these state-sponsored groups engage in espionage, sabotage, and cyber warfare. Their actions can shape geopolitics as well. They got the tools that are often unknown to the public until they strike. Now we have seen the sophistication of these actors varies greatly, but they all pose real threats. So we as cybersecurity experts really need to understand this landscape, understand this variety, and that is our first step in building a robust defense strategy.